all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 9. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 1 math. The chapter we are on right now is time. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is read a calendar. So basically first we are going to learn how do we read a calendar, right? So I think all of you have the calendar at your house. So you can get the calendar and see how do we read it, right? Okay. So usually the calendar page look like this, right? The question is on what day of the week is the 13th day of the month? We need to see the day on the 13th day, right? Hold on. So first of all, how do we read the calendar? The first thing is the very first line. This is the name of the month, right? That means that is the calendar for the month August, right? Then the second line, this one is this line represents the days of the week, right? Now you have to see on the 13th of the day. Find 13 first. Here is 13. So 13 is right below the Sunday, right? So that means on 13th day of the month is Sunday, right? So this complete line represents like on 7, 14, 21 and 28 you have Monday. And then 1, 8, 15, 22, 29 you have Tuesday, right? So these lines represents the days. So now let's just start with the test questions. On what day of the week is the seventh day of the month? You have to see the day on the 7th of the month, right? When the date is 7, you have to see which day it is. So it is 7, and 7 is right below the Friday. So that means on 7th of the month, the day is Friday, right? So the correct option is Friday. That means on the 7th of the month, the day is Friday. Got it? Okay, the next one is today is April 20. What day of the week is tomorrow? So, which is the correct option? So 20th April, tomorrow means the day, the upcoming day, right? The day after today. So here is April 20. So after today is 21 and 21 is on Sunday. So that means the day of the week, tomorrow it is Sunday. The correct option is Sunday. Okay. You just have to understand the question first, then you need have to look into the calendar, right? So the correct option is Sunday. What month does the calendar show? So you are looking at the calendar, right? Which day, which month it is? What month does the calendar show? So the first line represents the month of the calendar, and which the calendar represents. That means that is the calendar is for the month January, right? Okay, the next one is how many days are there in September? So you have to see how many days in September. So you can see the calendar, the last day of the month is 13th. So that means there is 30 days in September. The correct option is 30, right? So in September, we have 30 days. On what day of the week does the month end? So you have to see which is the last day of the month. So which is the correct option? The last day of the month is 30th, right? You have to see which day on the 30th. The 30th is right below the Monday. So that means there is Monday on the end of the month. The correct option is Monday it is. Option number one is the correct option. On what day of the week does the month begin? The correct option is you have to see which day is on the first of the month. So here is the first of the June. That is on Saturday. So that means the first day of the month is Saturday, right? If today is July 10th, what day of the week is it? So you have to see which is the day on July 10th. So just find the 10 of the month. Here is the 10 of the month, right? So you have to see which day it is. So it is Sunday. The correct option is Sunday, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is months of the year. So let's just start with the next lesson. We are going to learn the months in an year, right? So if you still don't know, like if you still didn't remember the days of the month, you can remember them now. The year starts with January. There are 12 months in a year. The first one is January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Right? That's the list of the months. You can keep them in your mind. They are very important. You have to learn them, right? Let's just start with the first question. Which month comes just after November? So you have to see which is the day after the, which is the month after the November. So here is the November. So after the November you have December. So the correct option is December, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which month comes right after October? So which is the correct option? After the October it is November. The correct option is November. Which month comes just after November? So which is the correct option? After the November it is December. The correct option is January. How January? After the November that is December. The correct option is December. Which month comes just after August? So which is the next month? The correct option is after August it is September. The correct option is September, right? Which month comes right after September? What do you mean by keep pausing? I haven't paused single time. So why after the September it is? October it is. After the September, October. Which month comes right after May? Which is the correct option? Hold on. Let me just reload the page. Hello, can you hear me now? I think now you can hear me without any pause. I don't know why my voice is lagging. Okay, which month comes right after May? Which is the next month after May? After May it is June. The correct option is June. Which month comes just after December? So, which is the correct option? December is the last month of the year, right? So, after the December, the next month is January. The next year then starts. The next month is January. Which month comes just after June? Which is the correct option? Just after June, it is July. The correct option is July. Which month comes just after March? After the March, April it is. The next month is April. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next month is seasons of the year. What what season comes right after fall? So here is the cycle of the seasons, right? Winter, spring, summer, fall, right? It goes like this. You have winter, after the winter you have spring, then you have summer, then you have fall. So the cycle keeps going. So you have to see which season comes right after fall. Here is the fall. After the fall, it is winter. So the correct option is winter, right? You have to keep this cycle in your mind. After the fall, winter it is. Let's just start with the test questions. Which season comes right after fall? So, which is the correct option? That's the same question we did on the tutorial, right? So, after the fall, it is winter. The correct option is winter. After the fall, it is winter. What season comes right after spring? So, which is the correct option? After spring, it is summer. The correct option is summer. After spring, it is summer. What season comes right after winter? After the winter, it is spring. The correct option is spring. After winter, it is spring. Oh, sorry. Before winter. The question is what season comes right before winter? So, right before winter, it is fall. The correct option is fall. Which what season comes just after summer? So, which is the correct option? After summer, it is after summer, it is fall. The correct option is fall. What season comes just after fall? After fall, it is winter. The correct option is winter. What season comes just before spring? Which is the correct option?
Just before spring it is winter. Just before spring it is winter. The correct option is winter. What season comes just before winter? The correct option is before winter it is fall. The correct option is fall. What season comes just after summer? The correct option is after the summer it is fall. The correct option is fall. What season comes just before, right before fall? The correct option is right just before fall it is summer. Before fall it is summer. After fall it is before fall it is summer. After fall it is winter. What season comes right after winter? The correct option is after the winter it is spring. Before winter it is fall. After winter it is spring. What season comes just after spring? Which is the correct option? After spring, it is summer. The correct option is summer. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is there any holidays there in Canada? Days of the week, or you guys are going to school? Why there are very few students? What day comes after Monday? Now you have to learn the days of the week, right? So there are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. After Saturday, that's again Sunday, right? Now you have to see which day comes after Monday. So after Monday, it is Tuesday. The correct option is Tuesday, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Which day comes after Tuesday? So, which is the correct option? After the Tuesday, it is Wednesday. The correct option is Wednesday. Which day comes after Sunday? Which is the correct option? The correct option is after the Sunday, it is Monday. The correct option is Monday. Which day comes after Thursday? After Thursday, it is Friday. The correct option is Friday. Which day comes after Wednesday? So after Wednesday, it is the correct option is Thursday. It is after Wednesday. It is Thursday. Which day comes after Friday? The correct option is after Friday. It is yes, Saturday. It is the correct option is Saturday. Which day comes after Monday? After Monday, it is Tuesday. The correct option is Tuesday. After Saturday, it is Sunday. The correct option is Sunday. Which day comes after Tuesday? After Tuesday, it is yes, Wednesday. It is. After Sunday, it is Monday. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is time. The lessons we have covered today are read a calendar, months of the year, seasons of the year, and days of the week. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice question for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask question. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.